another one.
All right, so Sarah asked, so if we are starting out, I just got my computer, where should I start? Whew, okay, so let's put up our timer for this one, right? If you are new to tech and technology, stuff like that, and I guess the first question is, okay, what is it what is it that you're interested in, right? Because if you're just starting out in computers, is I probably would say like, all right, so get familiar with navigating the computer. I'd probably start off with like watching some YouTube videos, maybe get like a, a Udemy 1 2 hour video if you're totally new to computers. If you are not totally new and a little bit more advanced, like let's say you're interested in starting out how to okay, so all right, new to computers altogether. Okay, so if you're new to computers, I would say all right, let's just do this together. Let's do this together. All right, let's go like this. This is what I would do. And by me doing this, it might give you some insight on where to go. But I would go to. All right, let me share screen real quick. I don't normally share screens on Tuesday nights, but we will tonight. So let's go over to here. And I'm gonna go to a website. So I'd go to Google, right? Go to google.com and I would go to Udemy. And right now they do have a sale going on, right? But I would go to Udemy, right? And I would look for intro to computers, right? And they have a massive sale going on right now. So course starting around like 9.99, 3 days left for the sale. I have never bought a Udemy course at full price. I'm just gonna say, and I would say probably something like this, computer fundamental basics, maybe, computer literacy, maybe something that is very like, and if you got like a Windows PC, most likely it's a Windows computer. Probably something like this maybe to get started. Uh, Let me see. Let's take a look at it. So this is how I pick Udemy courses, right? I would go take a look at how many rating, like what the rating is, right? 4.6, how many people are signed up. So and then I click on it, and then I would go to. All right. Then I would go to. So then I start scrolling through here, and I'm looking at it. What are they gonna talk about? Increase your productivity and professionalism, taught by university professor. Release your fears of using computers. This course is tried and tested and proven. Lifetime course access, all of that good stuff. And then and then I would watch the welcome to see what is it they're going to be talking about. It's an 8 hour course. So that means they're gonna have a lot of information in there. Computer basics. How computers work, part one. How computers work, part two. Like I'll just go through that Windows basics. All that stuff. You probably know some of this stuff, but if you're new to computers, it's good to go through all of this so you can get comfortable with that. And let me see what else. So when I'm looking for a course, I start looking through all of this, right? And then once you feel comfortable with that, then you can start moving on to other things. But definitely, I would say start off with a very, very basic intro to computers. If you're totally new, because I'm sure you probably like used it now here and there, but you might not be too familiar with it. Start there, and that'll get you more comfortable. And then from there, then you can decide, all right, now that I have this basic understanding, what is it that I would want to do? So what I'm going to do, I'm going to drop the link to this course in the chat in case you're interested in it. But right now it's $10 right now, right? So you're not going to find a cheaper course than that. You could look on YouTube, but this is like very put together, comprehensive. You go step by step by step. They probably have little projects that you're going to be working on. So like if I check over mastering the web, so probably like, how to do, like they have different stuff, right? Different stuff that you can do. Hands-on exercise, ninja level 1, hands-on exercise, ninja level 2. So I would say to give that course a go. Buy it, go through it, learn, and then once you feel comfortable with that, then you choose what your next step is. I think I saw your car say about typing. Let me go back to full screen. But yeah, so I would definitely say that would be a great course. And let me see. Your car had said you need to take typing courses as well. You need to be able to type without looking at the keyboard. I think that that is a. I think that I agree that you do need to learn typing, but I think that is a long term thing to get to. Like there's tons of free typing, like learning how to type websites, which you put your fingers on the keyboard and you don't have to look at it and stuff like that. But definitely getting the basics of computers first is going to be your most important bet to do. All right. So hopefully that helped, Sarah. And let me know if you have any other questions, either now or in the future. Do not hesitate to ask, and I will provide the best possible answer to you. All right, let's wrap that question up. That was a great question. I don't think I've ever had that question before, because most people that I run into, they're like semi-familiar with computers, but talking to somebody who is new, that was very, very fun, and we figured it out on the spot.
Every step I took alone, built a kingdom all my own. No more shadows pulling strings. I am light, I am wings.
I walked away, no chains to bind. I left the past, I cleared my mind. The road was rough, the skies were gray, but I broke free, I found my way.
I walked away, I broke the chain, left behind their endless rain. Tried my best to make it fit, but their world wasn't it. Now I'm free, running strong. I won't look back where I don't belong. Left their weight in the fading dust. Freedom's here and I can trust.
Now I'm free, running strong. I won't look back where I don't belong. Left their weight in the fading dust. Freedom's here and I can trust.
I tried my best, I gave my all, but their world was too small. They couldn't see beyond their walls, so I chose to rise, not let myself fall.
Saw their ways a hollow sound. No real love was ever found. Left them there where they belong. Now my heart beats twice as strong.
Now I'm free, running strong. I won't look back where I don't belong. Left their weight in the fading dust. Freedom's here and I can trust.
Now I'm free, running strong. I won't look back where I don't belong. Left their weight in the fading dust. Freedom's here and I can trust.
Their whispers fade like distant songs. I found my voice where I belong. No anchors now, no shadows stay. I face the sun, a brighter day.
They wanted walls, I wanted skies. I couldn't live their tangled lies. Now I'm soaring, winds at play, dancing light in every way.
Now I'm free, running strong. I won't look back where I don't belong. Left their weight in the fading dust. Freedom's here and I can trust.
Now I'm free, running strong. I won't look back where I don't belong. Left their weight in the fading dust. Freedom's here and I can trust.
I'm free, I'm running wild, like the laughter of a child. Free from their weight, I can breathe. This is my time to believe. I'm free, I'm running wild, like the laughter of a child. Free from their weight, I can breathe. This is my time to believe.